Alright, I did another haul or heist. This is $86.11 worth of goods, and I had a money maker of $9.18. And as always, that total includes the tax. So I did this because some of these are, as we know, we have a long ad that goes to April 16th because of Easter, but there was a new extra savings book that came out on April 9th. So I'm going to show you some good deals from the extra savings book. For the expire today is Tuesday, April 12th, and I did this yesterday, April 11th. So, I'm trying to do this every week, post a video, so please subscribe to my channel. Let's get these deals and information right away. Some of these deals I did on my last video, and I did them again because they actually they got better. They got better. I didn't think they can get any better. $200+ worth of stuff and a big money maker, but they got better here. So the cinadust, as I said, they're $2.99 each, so that comes to $5.98. However, they're on sale 2 for $5, so now you get them for $5 for both of them, and you submit it to swagbucks. You get 400 points, and that's $4. And you can also submit to Checkout 51 for $1 for each jar. They call them jars, but that would be $2 there. And you can also submit to Fetch for a little extra bonus. I already did that, so I won't include the Fetch this time, but it's a $1 money maker for both of those. Tena pads, this is just a killer. I mean, I didn't think the deal could get any better, but it actually did. So the regular price is $5.39. So for 8 of them with the tax, cost $46.35. However, they're on sale in the extra savings book. This is the book I'm talking about. You can see that they are somewhere in here on sale for $3.99. Maybe they're not on sale, right? No, they are. So $3.99 with tax for 8 of them at $3.99 each, cost $34.31. And as I mentioned before, from the April 3rd Smart Source, there's a $5 off of 2 coupon. So use that $5 off of 2 coupon. You got to buy 8 of them to get the best overage here. But if you buy even 2 of them or 4 of them or 6 of them, you're still going to have an overage. So depending on your store, how many they have in stock will decipher that. So I used 4 of these $5 off of 2 manufacturer coupons, and I used 8 of these $2 off of 1 coupon, so that's the max. You're allowed to use 8 coupons, and that was from the spring savings book. So it does expire April 15th, so this deal you've got about 3 days to do it, so get on that. There's also an Activate Health and Beauty rebate. Actually, it's right there. Get a $10 Publix gift card when you spend $30, and Tena is one of the participating products. So as I said, with tax for 8 of them, since they're on sale for $3.99, cost $34.31. I used 4 of those $5 off coupons, so that was $20 back. I used 8 of those $2 off coupons, so that was $16 back. And as I mentioned, with the Activate Rewards, you get another $10 Publix gift card by mail. So I didn't get that yet, but that makes that $11.69 money maker for those 8 Tena pads when it's all said and done. It would be $1.69 out the door overage. So still going to have an overage every time you buy 2, 4, or 6 of them. Alright, keep it going. Splenda diabetic shakes. These are regular price $9.99, so for 2 of them are $19.98. They're on sale for $7.49, so for 2 of them cost $14.98. And I used 2 of these manufacturer coupon. I got the link to print that below, and I got a detailed breakdown. I also got the link for this here $10 rebate that I just mentioned. So that is $14.98, as I mentioned, since they're on sale for both of those. And you use 2 of these manufacturer coupons for $4 off, so that takes 8 off. And Ibotta has $2 off. There's a limit of 3. I did get 2, so I didn't maximize there, but $4 back from Ibotta. So for 2 of these, cost you $2.98. Galbani cheese, the regular price $3.59. They're on sale 2 for $5. There's a $1.50 off coupon from the Save April 3rd. That took a $1.50 off, so $2.50 for that. $1.50 off, only costing you $1 for those. These is also a good deal. The Colgate Optic White. They are BOGO this week. The regular price is $3.59 for two of them. With tax would cost you $7.72. However, for two of them, since they're BOGO at $3.59, with tax cost $3.86. Two of these coupons for $1 off from the April 3rd Smart Source, and two of these coupons from the Spring Savers book would take $4 off of your $3.86 spent, so it's 14-cent overage moneymaker on that. Finally, the Jove water, $2.49 for this guy, and it's on sale 3 for $5, so you pay $1.67 for one of them. And there's a Publix digital coupon that takes $1 off, so making that guy only 67 cents. So once again, a couple more deals to mention to you guys from this extra savings deal. So I guess the cinadust will go to the April 22nd. This one will go to April 16th, or the day before Easter. This deal is unknown, so I believe till April 22nd. Who knows? The Tena deal, because this coupon is expiring April 15th, will be good to April 15th. As well as this deal will be good to April 15th, since the coupon is expiring on April 15th. So get on these deals. And I'm not sure about the Jove. That's could, go away anytime. So once again, paid to shop. Once again, $86.11 with the goods and a $9.18 overage moneymaker. So, please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals. Watch my videos. Posting coupon videos. I post other how-to videos and other kind of videos. But usually the first day of the sale, which is Thursday, I will be posting a Publix haul heist.